Hello everyone! Welcome to another English learning video. Today, I'm going to tell you about a powerful technique to improve your English speaking and listening skills, just like a native speaker. Have you ever heard of the shadowing technique? Let me explain. What is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to each sentence carefully, then repeating after me. Try to copy my words, my feelings, and my pronunciation like an actor. It helps you speak more clearly, listen more easily, and feel more confident in English. So, are you ready? Let's begin.
My name is Aria. I am 18 years old. I live in a small town in America. This is how I found love at my first job. Last month, I finished high school. My family does not have much money, so I need to find a job quickly. I want to help my parents pay the bills. Every day I walk around town looking for job signs in store windows, but no one wants to hire me. I have no work experience. I feel sad and worried. One sunny morning, I walk down Main Street and see something brown on the ground. It is a leather wallet. I pick it up and open it. Inside there is money and a driver's license. The name says Liam Miller. There is also a business card for Liam's Coffee Corner. I know I must return this wallet. My mother always taught me to be honest. I look at the address on the business card. The coffee shop is only 3 blocks away. I walk to Liam's Coffee Corner. It is a small, cozy place. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. There are colorful paintings on the walls and soft music plays in the background. I love this place already. Behind the counter stands a young man. He has dark hair and kind brown eyes. He is about my age, maybe a little older. When he smiles at customers, my heart beats faster. I have never felt this way before. I walk to the counter. My hands shake a little. Excuse me, I say. Are you Liam Miller? He looks at me with surprise. Yes, I am. How can I help you? I hold up his wallet. I found this on Main Street. I think it belongs to you. Liam's eyes open wide. He checks his pockets. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know I lost it. Thank you so much. He takes the wallet and counts the money. Everything is still there. You are very honest, Liam says. Most people would keep the money. What can I do to thank you? Do you want free coffee? A slice of cake? I shake my head. I don't need anything. I am just happy to help. Then I remember why I am walking around town every day. I get brave and ask, actually, do you need any workers? I am looking for my first job. Liam thinks for a moment. He looks around his busy coffee shop. You know what? I do need help. My old assistant quit last week. Would you like to work here? I cannot believe it. Really? Yes, please. Can you start tomorrow morning? Liam asks. Of course. I am so excited. The next day, I arrive at 7 a.m. Liam teaches me how to make coffee and serve customers. He is very patient and kind. When I make mistakes, he just smiles and helps me learn. Days pass quickly. I love working at the coffee shop. Liam and I talk during quiet moments. I learn that he is 20 years old. He opened this coffee shop with money from his grandmother. His dream is to have 3 coffee shops in our town. I tell him about my family and my dreams. I want to go to college someday, but first I need to save money. Liam listens to everything I say. He asks about my interests and my favorite books. We both love mystery novels and old movies. We laugh at the same jokes. After 2 weeks, I realize something scary. I am falling in love with Liam, but he is my boss. What if he does not feel the same way? What if I lose my job? One evening, we close the shop together. Liam counts the money while I clean the tables. Suddenly, the lights go out. The whole street is dark. There is a power outage. Don't worry, Liam says. I have candles in the storage room. But when he goes to get them, I hear a loud crash. Then Liam screams, "Help! Aria! Help me!" I run to the storage room. Liam is on the floor. A heavy shelf fell on his leg. He cannot move. My phone has no signal, I say. I will run to get help. No. Wait, Liam says. There is a backup key under the cash register. Use it to get out. The front door is locked electronically. I find the key and run outside. I see a police car across the street. The officer helps me call an ambulance to the hospital. The doctor says Liam's leg is broken. He needs surgery. Liam will be in the hospital for 1 week. I visit Liam every day after work. I bring him coffee and his favorite muffins. We talk for hours. I realize that Liam means everything to me. On his last day in the hospital, Liam looks serious. Aria, I need to tell you something important. My heart stops. Is he going to fire me? The night of the accident, Liam continues, I was scared, but you saved me. You were so brave and smart. That's when I knew. Knew what? I whisper. That I love you, Liam says softly. I have loved you since the day you returned my wallet. Your honesty and kindness made me fall for you. I cannot believe what I am hearing. Really? You love me? Yes, but I understand if you don't feel the same way. I am your boss. This might be complicated. I take his hand. Liam, I love you, too. I have loved you for weeks, but I was afraid to say anything. Liam smiles the biggest smile I have ever seen. 6 months later, Liam and I are still together. We are not just boss and employee anymore. We are partners in love and in business. Liam taught me how to manage the coffee shop. When he opens his second location, I will be the manager. Yesterday, Liam surprised me with something amazing. He is paying for my college classes. I can study business and help him grow our coffee shop empire. You found my wallet, Liam says, but you also found my heart. I kiss him softly. And you gave me my first job, but you also gave me my first love. Our love story started with honesty and a lost wallet. Now we build our future together, one cup of coffee at a time. My name is Aria, and this is how I found love at my first job.
Well done! You did a great job today. Shadowing helps you learn English faster and speak more naturally. Keep practicing this technique every day. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way you will never miss a new lesson. Thank you for learning with me.